All right, we got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet Corvette, big block, stinger hood, 4-speed, knockoffs, 4-wheel disc brakes. Just a nice car, real Tuxedo Black. Got the stinger hood on it. Just a very cool car. Power headlights work, the wipers work, all the blinkers, brake lights, gauges, tachometer, speedometer, radio, all that works. Just a cool car. Does have the 427 badging, but it is powered by a strong big block 454. Nice body lines on the car. Chrome is decent on it. Does have a little bit of a hazing on it, but it still shows well. It's not perfect. We just got the car in, so there are a couple tiny, well, that just a little, there's a teeny scratch there. We just got it in. There's a couple teeny little white chips there. We do have the correct Tuxedo Black paint. We will touch that up. Just trying to get this in before the rain. But just a couple tiny here and there chips from the car being driven. Here's the original knockoffs on the car. There's another little imperfection. Couple teeny little chips there. You know, all the chrome, trim, appears to be original on it, still in good shape. It's not brand new in the box, but shows extremely well. Little bit of a hazing on the back of that chrome rearview mirror. Again, appears to be original. Top's in good shape. Still got to clean it up a little bit. Just wanted to get some pictures. There is a teeny, I don't even believe that's all the way through, but a teeny little imperfection there in the hood, or the top, I should say. Again, there's a couple tiny little chips. Rear bumpers appear to be original on it. They do have a little bit of hazing. Good, strong, healthy. Paint's got a good shine. We just wiped it down, so we'll do a paint correction, which we do on every single vehicle we get, regardless the level of paint job that's on it. They all need to be buffed and polished. A couple tiny little chips. Door handles show well. Not brand new in the box, but still show very well. Perfection right there. Just a nice car. Like to fly in and come visit one of our 3 warehouses, we'd be more than happy to pick you up, take you to them. Lambert International, St. Louis International, one the same airport, it's for us itinerary. We'd be more than happy to pick you up. If you want to talk to somebody in person, ask for me, Mark, 314-346-6039. Again, that's 314-346-6039. Said they're not brand new in the box. A little bit of hazing, but they still show well. Just a really nice car. Again, look at the lines on it. Aluminum radiator, keep it running cool those hot days. Take it for a ride. These C2 Corvettes. Love the C1s, but man, a 65, 66, 67 Corvette, those particular years, pretty hard to beat as far as looks. Just so aggressive looking. Gets up and goes. Fun car to drive. Even funner when you have the road a little more to yourself. Got the speedometer, tachometer, temperature gauge, battery, gas gauge, all that works. Wipers, headlights, high beams, low beams, parking lights, I should say driving lights. Like and share the video. Leave your comments below. Tell us what you think. Videos you'd like to see. www.westportautocenter.com. You can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.